Hello everybody, today let us see the microsporogenesis in sexually reproducing angiosperm plant. First of all, what do you mean by microsporogenesis? Formation of the microspore from the microsporangium is known as microsporogenesis. In order to understand this whole process, we should know thorough knowledge of male part of the reproductive organs of the angiosperm plant. You know, it is collectively called as stamen. The stamen comprises two structures which are a small filament and anther. When we talk about the angiosperm anther, we call it as bilobed diathecus. Mean it has two lobes, each lobe has a two chamber. So totally they have four chamber. What we call it as tetragonal structure of the microsporangium. Now, when we talk about the microsporangium, it basically comprises four layers of cells. The outermost layer, what we call it as epidermis. The second layer is known as hypodermis. It is also known as endothelium. The third layer is a middle layer. The fourth layer is very important. What we call it as tapetum. Tapetum is a layer which comprises large size of cells which has sometimes multinucleated. In fact, these cells are supply the nutrients for the developing microspores. Now the whole structure encloses a cavity inside. The cavity is full of millions of sporogenous cells. What do you call it as? Sporogenous cells. That means spore bearing cells. Some of the spore bearing cells undergo the development to become a developed cells called the pollen mother cell, PMC. The pollen mother cell is a PMC. These cells are diploid in nature. Now the PMC undergoing the process of meiosis to make the four number of microspore, what we call it as microspore tetrads. You see here very clearly, PMC is a diploid cells. When they undergo meiosis cell division, it's supposed to divide two times. So ultimately the cells formed from this process has only haploid set of chromosome. So the microspore tetrad cells are haploid. So each one of the microspore tetrads will have the potential to make the pollen grain. So pollen is nothing but male gametophyte.